Assalamualaikum dear students of class 7. I am your teacher Mushtaq Ahmad, subject teacher computer at Beria Foundation College, Noshara Firoz. Dear students, today we are going to study some advantages of computerized system over the manual system. So dear students, our topic of discussion is the advantages of computer systems. There are many advantages of computer systems that enable us to enter data for a long time. Dear students, that you know, before the computerized systems, data were stored, data was recorded onto the register. It becomes very harmful for us, although registers may be replaced, may be misplaced, so our data might be misplaced or might be vanished. So when the computer science develop computing devices, they also develop the capability or the storage devices into the computer that can store data into the computer for long time. So dear students, there are many advantages of computers that possess over manual systems are described as under. On number 1.4.1, the topic of or the advantage of computers is speed. Dear students, that you know that computers have a large speed to process data, or fast processing is the key feature of computing systems, that is known as the speed. Computers can process data in seconds if processing speed is sufficiently. It means that students, whenever computers are used to store data or used to process data, computers can process data very fast. At one side, if hundreds of people can work, but a person on computer can work equal to them. So this is the key feature of the computers to process data very fast. Number one, speed has been defined, and second one is accuracy. Accuracy means the correction of the computers or the correction of computer work that process data during storage or during entering data into the computer. Dear students, accuracy is one of the features of computerized systems. Accuracy, it means computers can calculate numbers or smallest degree, enable users depending on them for sensitive calculations, so computers can perform the calculations accurately. Accuracy is also defined in our own words that accuracy is the key feature of computers that enable computer to perform the calculations very easily. Once the computers are started up, the maintenance of the work is automatically done by the computer without any involvement. So computers are very accurable to process data. So dear students, we have discussed speed and accuracy. Speed is the key feature in which computers can process data very fast. Accuracy is also one of the features of the computer systems that is defined as that computers can calculate the numbers, smallest degrees and so on very easily with accuracy. Now an example is that the supercomputers which control space missions, a minor rounding error could result the explosion of the space shuttle, a satellite in our outer space. Therefore, accurate calculations are important. So, dear students, accuracy in our own words, we can say that in computer system, it is the capability, it is the capacity of computers to process data in accurate form. So, dear students, we have discussed speed and accuracy, and now we are going to define another feature of computer, that is the efficiency, that this results error free in processing the data in computer at high speeds. So, dear students, accuracy, speed, efficiency are known as the key features of the computerized systems, and also the advantages of our computerized system are discussed in our own words, that computers can process data with very speed, computers can process data with accurate form, computers have the efficiency to process data in error free. So, efficiency, it means error free, means in computers it is the capacity or it is the ability of computers to correct any task automatically without the involvement of a user. Whenever we write some spells, for example, whenever we write some spells on the computer, at some time we make grammatical mistakes into the spell of the word, but computer can automatically correct our typed words. So, dear students, it is the efficiency of computer to make some actions error free during the processing with very speed. So the students, we have discussed three advantages, that are speed, accuracy and efficiency, discussed in this lecture. If anybody will ask you what is speed of computer, you can say that computer has high speed during the execution, during the processing of data. Computers can process data with very speed. If several persons or hundreds of persons work on computer, but one person can work, if several persons can work without the computer, but one person can work equal to them with computer. So it is the efficiency, it is the capability of computers to process data with high speed. Second one is accuracy. Accuracy is also the key feature that enables the computers to process data into a correct form. Second one is efficiency. In efficiency, we can say that computers has the quality, computers has the capability to process data in error free at high speed. Dear students, now we have discussed three types of the advantages of computing system, and fourth one is variety. Now you will have to read. It means that this is the homework for you. You will have to read down this topic, variety, and the key points that you gain from by reading this topic. You will have to send me the function of variety as the advantage of computer in your own words on our WhatsApp group. Dear students, I have not discussed this topic, but I have assigned you, I have given you as the reading of this topic. You will have to read down, you will have to study this topic at your homes, and the Objective points that you gain, you will have to send me on our WhatsApp group. Still, Allah Hafiz.